Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to second class of Algebraic Expression. In this class I discuss about polynomial of 2 and 3 variables, multiplication and division of polynomials, remainder theorem and factor theorem. Let's join with me. Polynomials of 2 variables. If variable x and y algebraic expression square y square plus 2xy. This is an example of polynomial of two variables. Here variable is x and y, and we see that here degree of this term is 2. Here degree of this term is also 2. Degree of this term. Terms of the polynomials of two variables are of the form c x to the power p y to the power q, where c is constant or coefficient of these variables, and c may be 0, and p and q are non-negative integers. We already learned from polynomials of single variable. The degree of this term is p plus q. So degree of this term is p plus q. So here power of x is 1 and power of y is also 1. So degree of this term is also 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So here degree of this term is also 2. So here degree of all terms are equal, and we know terms are separated by plus and minus. Here plus and plus, and so here 3 terms are present. Okay, similar polynomials of 3 variables, say variable x, y, z, x cube, y squared, z cube. This is an example of polynomial of 3 variables. Now product of the polynomials. If f of x is a polynomial of 2 degree and g of x is a polynomial of 3 degree, then their multiplication is also a polynomial. That means f of x into g of x is also a polynomial, and degree of is equal to 3 plus 2. Sum of the degree of these two polynomials. Clear? In case of division, g of x divided by f of x, then I get degree of this polynomial. Degree of this polynomial is 3 minus 2. That means 1. Now remainder theorem. Let's see an example. Given that f of x equal to 2x square plus thrice x plus 3, say, and if we divide this by x minus 2, then I get I hope you remember this division We already done this type of division in class 7. X minus 2, if we divide f of x by x minus 2, then we get 2x squared plus thrice x plus 3. We have to multiply twice x, and then we get 2x squared and minus 4x. Now subtracting, get 7x plus 3. Now we have to multiply 7, then I get 7x minus 14, changing side, changing sign, we get 17. So if we divide f of x by x minus 2, then we get quotient twice x plus 7 and remainder theorem says that if we divide f of x by x minus 2, then remainder of this division will be f of 2. More briefly, if f of x is divided by x minus a, then remainder of this division will be f of a. Remainder theorem says that. Remainder theorem says that if we divide f of x by x minus a, then remainder will be f of a. Now we divide f of x by x minus 2, then from this theorem from remainder theorem, our remainder should be f of 2. Let's see. Here f of x is this, so f of 2 equal to, so f of 2 equal to 2 into 2 square plus 3 into 2 plus 3, 2 into 4 plus 6 plus 3, 8 plus 6 plus 3, 17. Now factor theorem. Factor theorem states that if p of x is a polynomial and if p of a is equal to 0, so x minus is a factor of p of x. We have learned from previous theorem, remainder theorem, if we divide p of x by x minus a, then remainder will be p of a. So here if remainder is 0, then obviously x minus a can divide p of x, clear? And if a number divides a number, then the number is a factor of the number of that number, clear? Here x minus a can divide p of x, then remainder will be 0, then so x minus a is a factor of p of x. Let's see. X minus 2 divides x square minus 4. Multiplying by x, you get x square minus 2x. Changing sign, you get 2x minus 4. Now x plus 2, then 2x minus 4. Remainder is 0, so x minus 2 is a factor of x square minus 4. Here polynomial is x square minus 4 and x minus this is another polynomial, and if divides x minus 2, if x square minus 4 is divided by x minus 2, then remainder is 0, so x minus 2 is a factor of x square minus 4. Clear? We can also say that from remainder theorem. Here if we take p of x equal to x square minus 4, then if we divide p of x by x minus 2, then remainder will be p of 2 from remainder theorem. Then we get p of 2 equal to 2 square minus 4 or 0. So if remainder is 0, then x minus 2 is a factor of the polynomial. Clear? Okay, this is all for today. We'll meet very soon with some new problem. Thank you.